Okay, hello, hi. This is Rani Ahmed with you, and this is your first lesson in Python how to program. Okay, now this series will teach you how to program in the scripting language called Python. Um, in this video, I'm going to ask you to get the following material so it can help us in learning the language. Okay, first of all, we need this book, okay, called Think Python, How to Think Like a Computer Scientist. You can find it on this address, okay, here. Pause the video and please type it, okay. I also provided in the description below this video. Also, try to find this book, okay? This is called Python How to Program by Deitel. This is by Harvey Deitel. Okay. I mean, this book, okay, is very good, but it's old. It talks about version 2 of Python, Python 2. Okay, this one, that Think Python, talks about version 3 of Python, Python 3. We're going to depend on the Python 3, of course. I don't want to go back to the Python 2 at all, okay? Whatever the differences, you shouldn't care. Just move on. Go with number 3, and you're okay. You're just fine. And as long as you're a programmer, the little details won't matter to you. You just move with the trend, the current version. Okay. The good thing about this book is that it has exercises, okay, at the end of each chapter. Okay, this book is very good, and it's very much oriented to students in high school or or university people. Okay. This book also, as you see here, for example, there are exercises. Okay, so we'll have to also try to solve them. Okay, so this is the first thing that we're going to do, is that we're going to depend on the Think Python book. Okay. Now, second thing is how to install Python on your computer. Now, what you're seeing here currently is called Linux desktop. Here the distribution is Debian GNU Linux. Okay, if you have an Ubuntu, it's almost the same. Okay, people who use Linux use this command, and on Debian only. First of all, you type su, okay. You go to your root account with the password, and you'll be just typing this command, apt-get install idle3. Now, idle3 is not the Python, okay. Even if you're going to install Windows, we're going to show you how to install Windows. But idle3 is not the Python. Idle3 is just an editor that you're gonna use like many other editors, but the good thing about it, it's more oriented towards Python. Okay. Now, so using this command, you press enter after you type it, and it will get you both IDE, the working environment where you, the editor, okay, it's called idle3, and it will get you with it something called TK. TK is the thing that's called tkinter. Okay, this is a library that's good for making quickly, like without typing a lot. When you want a button, you type a button. When you want to have a menu, type a menu, things like that. So it's good to make programs with buttons and mouse movements and windows and everything. Okay, GUI app, GUI. Okay, it's called graphical user interface. Okay, now and with the TK and with the idle you'll get Python 3, because the TK enter with the idle 3 with the Python will get you the editor that you're gonna use to write our code. Then it will have a menu where you can click and run the code. Okay. Now on Windows, okay, you'll do this. Now I'm running here a virtual machine of Windows. Just wait until it loads. Okay. Okay, now here is idle, same. Okay, that's idle. See, there's a menu here called run to run the script. Okay, run module. Okay, same thing. You will do the same thing on Linux. Very same. Okay, now how to get it? See, this is python.org/downloads. This is the download link. Okay, now if you click, for example, downloads and go to Windows. Okay. Now, depending on your operating system type, okay, it will get like whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit. Okay. And now you can get the latest Python 3 release. This is what we want. Oh, sorry, not this way. Here, downloads. Okay, you click it. Okay, and it will change automatically. Sorry for that. It will change automatically for to Windows, and then you download this one. Okay, download Python 3.5.2. Then on your downloads folder, okay, see, this is your installer. Double click on it. Okay. I'm going to install it just to show you how it's done. Okay. Okay, so again we're here going to install it, so install now. And that's it. You just next like usually, okay, on Windows. And you should find the idle 3 later on Windows, okay, simply. Now when you just make a new file and run the code, okay. Now on the next video I'm going to show you also how to run a simple code, okay, how to save it, how everything, okay. This is where your first step in programming goes, okay. And I'm going to depend more on Linux because you know, it will be hard for me to record, okay, the video. So here you just go to the start menu, go to applications, all apps, and you find here recently added, so you'll get this, okay. And then you know, get a new file and the rest. I'm going to stop here, but I'm just saying this is your shell for Python, and if I say make a new file, this is where your idle 3 will go, okay. Later on this next video, I'm going to show you what I said, your first program in Python, okay. So please tell your friends about this series, and thanks for watching, okay, bye.